This is a ridiculously easy Christmas lip combo, but your makeup will still be the most interesting in the room. Do you want to see how it's done? Keep watching! The lip tutorial is going to have a few steps, starting from the easiest one to a little bit more elevated but still beginner friendly. And the first one is to apply the lipstick as you normally would, but make it a two-tone lip. Apply green lipstick on top and red lipstick on the bottom, just as you would normally apply lipstick. Try to choose the lipstick colors that are kind of similar in darkness. So for example, here I'm using a medium dark red and a medium dark emerald green. Which of those is a more Christmas color or the combo? Now this is already a cool and unique Christmas makeup look, and it was super easy, but let's elevate it in 2 steps. Remember how we spoke about the darkness? Now choose slightly lighter colors, maybe a little bit different in hue. If you're wondering where to get all those fun lipstick colors, by the way, I have a free lip makeup guide in my description box, and in the end there's a list of brands who make such fun and colorful lipsticks, not just reds but also greens, and when you blend them together you get that perfect Christmas ombre. Likewise, on the bottom lip you place a lighter and maybe slightly more orangish red, and blending similar colors is the easiest blend you can get, so this is friendly even if you are a beginner. As you can see, the green lipstick transferred slightly to the bottom lip, so I just put the red lipstick on there and dry my lips without closing them for about a minute or so. I already like this so much better, but let's elevate it to the max, and they kind of match the crown. If you have a little bit more time, you can get this more elevated look. If not, the ombre lips we have done are also fine. But if yes, apply a little bit of lash glue or glitter primer, but better lash glue, in different places of your lip, and take a wax pencil and stick on some rhinestones to it. If you're using a wax pencil, make sure you're then pressing them with your nail, aka a non-sticky surface, so that they don't get lifted back by the wax pencil. But if you don't have a wax pencil, no worries. You can just pick up the rhinestones with your fingers or with some tweezers. They give the festive look instantly. By the way, if you're enjoying this video so far, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Thank you so much. And I'm using duochrome rhinestones so that they shift through different colors, because the colorful look is what I love. Another great idea would be to use red rhinestones on top lip and green rhinestones on the bottom, or maybe white rhinestones to imitate snow. The possibilities are endless. These rhinestones look absolutely dazzling. Your makeup will be seen from outer space, and applying rhinestones only takes like 10 minutes max. This is what I call holiday makeup. Even out of focus, it looks so fun. But you want more holiday makeup ideas, don't you? Then I recommend watching this video next, and I bet you will love it. See you there. Bye!